Good morning, class. I'd like to welcome you to my BAS 120 Personal Finance class. My name is Al Wallace and I'll be your instructor. My goals for this class are as follows. I want to give you some practical information on personal finance. I'm going to focus on credit cards, buying cars, buying houses, stock market, and a little bit on retirement planning. And then third, I hope that some of this will stick with you and you'll get a few good ideas or concepts that'll be useful to you. Now let's do a little housekeeping. Late work and makeup policy is that I don't accept any late work. Withdrawal policy, whatever the current semester calendar looks like as far as the last day withdrawal from the class, that's the policy we'll use in this class. Now, it's your responsibility if you have a problem with your computer or with the internet to make sure you've got a backup plan. I always hope that students can find another way to get the internet or another computer to use, either a laptop or something to help get these assignments done on time. The book we're going to use is called Personal Finance, and the latest edition is what we're going to use. It's an e-book. It's included in your course surcharge. The author is Kapoor, and the McGraw-Hill is the author of the publisher, of course, and you can get a loose leaf version of this, I think, at the bookstore if you need something a physical book to hang on to. Now, how this class works. Only your highest grade will be recorded on all assignments, and for each chapter we'll have a smart book assignment. It has unlimited attempts and it's not timed. We'll also have a homework assignment and it'll be unlimited attempts, and that'll also be not timed. And then last but not least, we'll have what's called a assessment assignment, and you'll get 2 attempts on this, and that'll be a timed assignment. It's worth 60 minutes. And again, all these assignments, there's not any, I'll record only your highest score, and of course there's no final exam for the class. Now, what else we've got here? So what's your grade going to be based on? Well, it'll be based on your total points earned divided by the points for all assignments. And then that number, we come out with a percentage that'll be your percentage of the total points. And 90% of the total points will be equal to the lowest A. And that, of course, some of that's going to be subject to change by the instructor if needed. Attention. All assignments are going to be visible on Blackboard. There won't be any releasing of assignments. All due dates are visible on Blackboard. Again, no releasing of dates for assignments. They're all going to be up there starting on day 1. And there is no final for this class. I think I mentioned that before. I just want to mention it one more time. Now, let's go with how to get going with Blackboard and Connect. Connect will be the website we'll use for all the assignments. And of course, you've got a Blackboard account, but you're going to need to get a Connect account in case you don't have one. So, when you log into Blackboard, you'll use of course, your username, your password. And once you get in there, you'll go to your site on Blackboard and click on this course, which is BAS 120. And then on the left-hand side, there will be a thing that says, of this course, there'll be all assignments are here. So you want to click on that. And of course, this is a sample page. Yours will look different from this a little bit, but that's basically the idea. You want to click on the left here where it says, here are all assignments, all class assignments. Then once you've done that, you just click on any assignment you want to start on, and you'll be taken from Blackboard into Connect. Now, if you don't have a Connect account, then the first thing it's going to do after you get this first assignment you clicked on, we're going to go to a registration site, and you're going to have to put in an email address and a password, and it's going to confirm that you're registering with not the class that you see on the screen. Or again, this is a sample screen, but for your BAS 120 account, it's going to show you a copy of the page of it's going to show you a picture of the book, And then you'll complete this form, and once it's all completed, this one time only, you'll click on complete my registration, and when you do that, then you'll have a Connect account. And then once you've completed that form, it'll take you to another screen where you go to click on or go to my course. And once you've done that, then you should be ready to start doing some assignments. And you won't ever see this again, but just this one time. In case, like I said, this is if you don't have an account. Here's a sample of what the Connect account screen sort of looks like. Again, this is a sample. Yours could be different. In this section right here, you'll see the book that we're going to use, not the book that's shown there, but the BAS 120 book. Very important, financial aid warning. You must, I say you must complete a handful of beginning assignments by their due date. There'll be 3 or 4 of them, and they'll be usually within 1 week of when the class starts. If you don't complete all of those, then I am required to report you as a no-show. And if you get reported as a no-show, you get taken out of the class. And that could endanger your financial aid. So keep that in mind. Next, we've got, let's see, once you've completed an assignment in Connect, there's always going to be like a little way to get back into Blackboard. So you click on this little yellow tab, it'll take you back into Blackboard, and from there you can log out of Blackboard or log into another class, do other class work. And that's basically how to get in and out of Blackboard and in and out of Connect through Blackboard. And let's see what else we've got. Now, homework help. Not all, but a lot of the assignments that are for homework will have, if you go to the bottom of them, they'll have a little view hint. And you click on the view hint, you're going to see like a little video that's very similar to the problem that you're trying to work, in case you get stuck on something. Like I said, not all of them have this, but a lot of them do. And let's see, what other kind of things can we say about this? That's for homework. And if this doesn't have a view hint for you on the homework you're working on, you're stuck on it, then there's another way to get help, which is to email me. And my email address is al.wallace@kctcs.edu, and I'll do the best I can to help with anything related to content in this class. Now, technical questions I can't help you with. But McGraw-Hill's got an excellent support site, and also support people that if you call 1-800-331-5094, they're excellent, and they will do their best to try to get any kind of computer problems that you've got with their site fixed. So that's excellent. So use that, and then here are the again, the number and also the website in case you want to contact them through an email or a chat, and then also their times that they're open. And again, you can contact me anytime. None of this seems to work for you. Now, I'm about finished with this, and I'd like to thank my assistant who put this all together. His name was Boris to Death. And that's really all I've got to say to you for right now, and I hope that you have a great semester and good luck.